Hi everyone, craving a delicious gut-friendly drink that's great for your health? Today I'm making Kanji, a tangy probiotic packed fermented drink that may even support diabetes management. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: 4 black carrots, 1 small beetroot, 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground mustard seeds, a teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of regular salt, a pinch of red chili powder, and 8 cups of filtered water. Grab a clean glass jar and we're ready. First, peel and slice your carrots and beetroot into thin strips. Toss them into the jar. Add the ground mustard seeds, black salt, regular salt, and a pinch of chili powder for a little kick. Pour in the water, stir gently, and cover with a muslin cloth. Let it ferment in a warm spot for 3 to 5 days, stirring daily. You'll know it's ready when it's tangy and slightly fizzy. This kanji is bursting with probiotics to boost your gut health and may help with digestion and blood sugar control. Drink half a cup day chilled and enjoy the fermented veggies as a tasty side. Perfect for a diabetes friendly diet. That's it. Super easy, super healthy. Try this kanji recipe and let us know how you love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and consult your doctor before adding it to your diet. See you next time.